Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily create a Snapchat account in 2024 on your mobile phone. By following the few simple steps that I show you, now you'll be able to create a Snapchat account very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, go to your home screen and tap on the Snapchat app icon. And this type of interface will be shown, and to create a new account you have to tap on sign up. But if you want to create your account with Google, you can tap on continue with Google, but let's create without Google. Tap on sign up, and here you have to enter your first name and last name. I'll enter mine and tap on continue. And here you have to set up your birth date. I'll set up mine and tap on continue. Here this app has already created your username, but if you didn't like, then you can change your username by tapping on change my username. I'll change my username. I'll just change something about this and tap on continue. Here you have to set a password that you will remember, but remember your password should be at least 8 characters, and I'll create mine and tap on continue. Here you can create your Snapchat account by using your email address, but if you don't want to use your email address, then you can use your phone number instead by tapping on use phone number instead. And you have to enter your phone number. I'll enter mine and tap on finish. Here the confirmation code was sent into my WhatsApp, and the confirmation code was automatically verified with this app. And here you can add some friends that you know, but if you don't want to add friends for now, you can skip it by tapping on continue. Here you can create your Bitmoji by tapping on continue. Bitmoji is like an avatar, but I'll skip it for now and tap on turn on. Now we have successfully created our Snapchat account. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful, even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.